So we just saw how displacement and distance are defined. We can build on these two concepts by defining the rate at which these quantities change. The rate at which the distance between 2 points or the length of the path covered between 2 points changes is known as speed. The total length of the patch covered between 2 points divided by the time taken to cover this distance is called average speed. Just as distance is a scalar quantity, speed and average speed are also scalar quantities and are considered positive. On the other hand, the ratio of displacement between 2 points and the time taken to achieve this displacement is known as velocity. Since displacement is a vector quantity, so is velocity, which can be positive, negative or zero depending on the exact situation. For example, let's go back to the soldiers in the jungle. They may have physically marched over a long distance, taking many twists and turns along the way, and yet their average velocity depends only on the separation between the initial and final positions and the time taken to achieve that separation. Average speed and average velocity need not be the same. Another interesting case is this pendulum. As it swings, it covers the same path again and again, and thus the length of the path covered by the bob keeps on increasing. However, if we consider the mean position of the pendulum to be the starting position, then after every complete swing, the bob ends up exactly where it was before, which means that the displacement of the bob for that time is zero, and so is the velocity. So it is possible that a moving object can have zero average velocity.
Manorama Horizon, learning made simple.